Hello children, we can continue the remaining part of the program based on class and object. Let's see the program. Program number 3. Define a class employee having the following description. Data member int PAN to store personal account number, string name to store name, double tax income to store annual taxable income, double tax to store tax that is calculated. All these are data member. Now member function. Void input, that means to store the PAN number, name, taxable income. Void calculate, you have to calculate tax on taxable income. And void display, that means output details of an employee. Now calculate tax based on the given condition and display the output as per the given format. That means total annual taxable income and tax rate is there. Up to 2,50,000 no tax. From 2,50,000 to 5,00,000 10% of income exceeding rupees 2,50,000. Then from 5,00,000 to 10,00,000 rupees tax rate is 30,000 plus 20% of the income exceeding rupees 5,00,000. And above 10,00,000, that means tax rate is 50,000 plus 30% of the income exceeding rupees 10,00,000. Now your output will be PAN number, name, tax, income and tax rate. Now we can see the coding of this program. Here I have created a class employee and all the data member are created inside the class using the private member. So private int PAN, private string name, private double tax income, private double tax. Now void input part is there, in that taking for input. So here we are using which class? Scanner class we are using. So here to print the PAN number, name, then taxable income. Now in public void calculate, that means you have to calculate using if and else statement. If tax income less than 2,50,000, so tax is null. Else if tax income less than equal to 5,00,000, so tax is equal to tax income minus 2,50,000 into 0.1. Else if tax income less than equal to 10,00,000, so tax is equal to 30,000 plus, then open the bracket, tax income minus 5,00,000 into 0.2 and close the bracket, terminate with a semicolon. Else tax is equal to 50,000 plus, then open the bracket, tax income minus 10,00,000 into 0.3, close the bracket, terminate with a semicolon. Like this way you have to calculate the tax. Now and void display, that means you have to print all the details what are there, PAN number, name and tax income. Now public void, that means public static void main part, that we are creating a object of the class and calling method one by one, and we have to call the method one by one. What was that? obj.input, obj.calculate and obj.display. So in this way you can do the program of employee. Now let's see the output of the program. Now class name, what was that? Employee. Then class instance will come, click on OK. Now left bottom of that one dialog box will be there. You have to click on void input. Void input you have to click. Then after that blue j terminal box will come. In that you have enter the PAN number, enter the name, then enter the taxable income. After that enter key press. Then in that you have to click on void CL is there. First of all you have to click there, and after that void display is there. You have to click on display. Then you will get in, and you will get the BlueJ terminal. You will get all the details. So you format what the question asks, the format like that it is display. First PAN number is there, then name is there, then tax income is there, and tax is there. So in this format you have to display the output. Today for this much only. Thank you my dear children.